Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you will all be good. This is me, Muhammad Suhail. You are watching MSK Mentor. And in this video, I will cover that what is sentence. Sentence, a group of words that has a subject and predicate which give a complete sense. अल्फाजों का वो मजमूआ जो सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट को मिला के हमें एक कंप्लीट सेंस देता है. So the question arises that what is subject and what is predicate? Subject, the main part of the sentence which mention person, place or thing is called subject. जुमले का वो हिस्सा जो किसी शख्स, जगह या चीज के मुतल्लिक बात हो उसे हम कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट और उर्दू में इसकी मानी है फाइल. And the other one is predicate. Predicate has two definition. The first one is expresses the action of the subject is called predicate, and the second one is that expresses opinion or facts about the subject is called predicate. So sentence has two parts. The first one is subject and the second one is predicate. When we combine these two words, so these words give a complete sense. These words give us a complete sense is called a sentence. For example, he has joined the class. So in this sentence, where is subject and where is predicate? So he is a subject, and because he mentioned the persons, and the other part of the sentence has joined the class is called predicator. When we combine these two words, and it gives us a complete sense. He has joined the class. And the second example is that Suhail is absent today. And where is subject? Subject is Suhail. He is talking about the person. And this second one is absent today. Is called predicate. And these two words combined to each other, it give a complete sense. That Suhail is absent today. It gives us a complete sense. So this is all about the sentence. I hope you have learned from this video that what is sentence, and please like my video. Inshallah, see you in next video.